5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The case of the petitioner is that she is the legally wedded wife of the respondent. Both are Muslims by religion and their marriage was solemnized in accordance with Mohammedan law on 19/6/1982. For a period of 2 years, she lived happily with her husband. Thereafter, it is the case of the petitioner that the respondent started ill-treating, harassing and abusing her. During the year 1984, the respondent drove her away from his house. On account of the intervention of the elders, the respondent took the petitioner with him in the month of October 1984. Again he continued to ill-treat her. In the month of January 1986, the respondent finally drove her away from his house. By then the petitioner was pregnant for 5 months. Having no other alternative, she had to return to her parents' house, and there she gave birth to a son by name of Mohammedan Jafar on 24/3/1986. The respondent never cared to visit her and her son. The respondent later married another woman at Gulbarg, and now he is residing in Arab Mohalla at Raichur. The respondent is employed as a driver in KSRTC and he is earning good salary. The petitioner is not employed anywhere and she has no income of her own. She cannot maintain herself. She requires at least a sum of rupees 500 per month towards her maintenance. Therefore, she filed the petition under section 125 of the CRPC before the Family Court Raichur for a grant of maintenance of rupees 500 per month. The court below has held that Exhibit R1 is the copy of the Talaknama, which is in Urdu language, and Exhibit R2 is the postal acknowledgement which bears the LTM of the petitioner for having served the Talaknama with 2 checks drawn in her favor containing the meher amount and the maintenance amount for the iddat period. The petitioner has sent a reply through her counsel which is marked as Exhibit R3. The petitioner has admitted having been served with the Talaknama dated 4/11/1996 with 2 checks drawn in her favor for a sum of rupees 530, the meher amount, and a sum of rupees 600 maintenance for the iddat period. Under Exhibit R3, the petitioner has stated that she is not agreeable for the divorce and therefore she is refusing those 2 checks. In the reply, notice the petitioner has specifically stated as under stop that now again you have sent the talaknama dated 4/11/1996 along with two demand drafts, which is not in accordance with the principles of Shariat and Muslim law, and he cannot divorce twice. That is on 18/4/1984 and on 4/11/1996. The said talaknama does not bear the names and addresses of the witnesses, and the talak is not pronounced before any client stop, so it is illegal. Stop over.